doctors hope this will save lives and cut costs.
1 in 24 Oklahomans dies every year from a stroke, but there's a new, less invasive procedure that's now available and is trying to lessen those numbers.
Dr. Well and yourself?
I'm doing good, doing good.
Johan Theron is the first person in America to receive a revolutionary outpatient procedure to clear his carotid artery. Now, with scars on his neck, Theron talks about the devastating news he received a year ago. Doctors said his carotid artery was 95% blocked and he should have had a stroke by now.
That's what made me sit up and say, that's severe, that's serious? He says, yeah, you should have had. And he says, it can only be a God thing that nothing happened to you.
Johan said his life flashed before his eyes, moving from South Africa to Texas, then meeting his wife and moving to Oklahoma.
I thought, am I just coming to America to come and die here?
Johan's mom died at 64 from heart issues. His doctors said family history with heart problems, his history of smoking and a poor diet could all have contributed to his condition. But doctors at Cardiovascular Health Clinic in Oklahoma City had a solution.
State-of-the-art technology and everything just went fantastic. So,
Dr. Jim Melton and his team operated on Theron, performing the first outpatient TCAR procedure in the U.S.
TCAR, or transcarotid artery revascularization, has been around since about 2016. I was a principal investigator in bringing that from Europe to the States.
Melton placed a filter below the blockage in Johan's artery, then clamped it.
It creates a flow reversal where there's no antegrade or forward flow going to the brain. Therefore, it really limits the risk of something flipping off and going to the brain and causing a stroke during the procedure.
TCAR is a unique outpatient procedure. Without a hospital stay, there's less risk of infection and less cost to the patient.
The efficiency there, as well as the lower cost, is also a big deal in this space. It's anywhere from 30 to 40% lower cost when you compare it directly to the hospital cost.
Theron also had 3 stents put in his heart and 2 surgeries to his carotid arteries. 2 weeks after his last surgery and 1 year since his initial diagnosis, Theron is cleared to work again.
How do you feel now compared to a year ago?
I've been given a second chance on life, thank God, and thank you for the doctors.
For Fox 25 News, I'm Jamison Keefover.